Yo, what's going on? Once again, it's your boy Solo E, and I am going to be doing something very, very interesting and different from majority of my videos. In this video, I'm actually going to be doing a $600 flip into 10 bands, baby. You heard me right. That is correct. I usually do a couple small flips into like 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. But I don't really record a lot of that, like for my YouTube channel and for my YouTube fans that's out there. By the way, if you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and like and hit this thumbs up video for me.
Shorty just ride away, yeah, ride away. If you about it, then hop in the ride.
But in this one, I'm gonna show you everything. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna show you my strategies and what I'm gonna do. And this is actually gonna be part one because honestly, y'all, there's no way I'm gonna do a $600 account into 10 bands in like a day or 2 days or a week. So I decided to do series. So right now, what I went ahead and did was pretty much I went in my FX book. If you guys don't know what that is, it's basically something that tracks every single trade from literally day one. It actually tracks your deposit. It tracks everything that we all need to know. So we don't lie. Obviously, we can't cap on what we about to do and what we about to win or lose. I mean, let's be real. You know, if I lose this challenge, all I lost was $600 at the end of the day. You know, so I'm cool with that. So, but if I win, overall, I get 10 bands. And I think from there, I might continue doing this challenge, but it's going to be a different series at that point. So I want to show y'all guys that this is possible. So the very first thing is, make sure you like and subscribe. Otherwise, you're not going to see part two. So first and foremost, one thing that I really want to do is show you my FX book. So y'all can see everything of what's going on from the account size to the trades that I got in. And I think I'm going to make this public too. So like when people come in, they just click the link down below. You guys can see the active trades that I'm in. If I can do that, I'm pretty sure I could. The first thing we're going to do is let's go in here. This is basically the overall of everything. Like you guys can see my drawdown amount, my deposit, my ultimate gains, my absolute gains, my monthly gains, my balance. Now you can see my goals. You can see the trades I'm actually in now. You can see my win ratio, my lose ratio. Yeah. Oh, you know what? Let me do one thing. Let me refresh this because I know a lot of y'all think, oh, he's manipulating this. This is all fake because he can go into Chrome and code it all differently. I don't understand. You can't never I guess you just can't make everybody happy. And just to prove even more, I'm actually show you on my phone too, so y'all don't think that I get it. Y'all don't know who I'm really am, right? Y'all just know it as me as Solo E. If y'all don't even know me, y'all just don't know like, oh, he could be lying. I get it, because I would say the same thing if I'm on YouTube watching somebody trying to flip a $600 account into 10 bands. Regardless, whatever it is, I don't care. First thing, let's go into this. So right now, as you guys see, I currently 4 hours ago, this is actually different because I am currently in 3 trades, and I am over risking the mess out of my account. So please don't say anything in the comments. Seriously. Don't say anything in them comments because I know somebody's going to say, oh, you're risking too much. You can't be doing that. That's impossible. Don't do that. Nah, I would never do that. We ain't trying to hear that. But anyway, as you guys see, my absolute gains right now is 178 and 91%. This is 4 hours ago. It is different now. My balance right at this moment of you looking is basically at 1674. Right now it's actually about 1800. Equity wise, it was at 1707, but equity wise I think we are down. But balance, mind you, balance is what's actually in their account. Equity is what is unrealistic, you know, that's what they call it, unrealistic gains, unrealistic profits. That is at negative, or not negative, but that's like down right now because I'm in 3 trades in Bitcoin. So yeah, that's basically that. If you guys look, I have goals set. My goals is not actually on here. Oh, I know why. I have to set it. But by the time you guys get in here, if you know, when I share it, you guys will see my goals, which is really 20% per day. And I'm gonna explain why I'm doing 20% per day, but it's 20% per day. And yeah, so let's look at the most important stuff. So I know, I get it. Solo, why is your win ratio so bad? Right now it's 56%.
You serious?
I know. For those that have been following me for a minute, you guys know when it comes to me flipping accounts, I could do that all day. But yes, don't get me wrong, this is very, very horrible in my opinion. Not really that. Also, what's also horrible in my opinion is my drawdown. But I bounced back. So it's all about the after effect, right? If you really pay attention, 78.73 drawdown. If I was to do any prop firm like FTMO or Funding Talent, I think they probably would have just said, nah, we not we not accepting you as a trader because you just not good at all. If you guys look, as you see, my deposit was $600 and 26 cents. And then my profits right now is, well, profits total is $1,073 and 92 bucks. That's good. That's really good. We know that's really good. And y'all can see when this happened. We started on the 28th of April, and now we're on May 4th. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in a week, I got my money back. I'm cool with it, but like what I said, if I lose 600, cool. Now at this point, this is why I would usually be like, if y'all made your money back, take that money out so you can be risk free at this point, pretty much, because you already made your money back. So leave it alone, and bada boom, you're good to go. That's what I would say. But in this instance, this is a risky challenge. This is a challenge for my YouTubers. I want to show y'all that it's possible. Even if I succeed or even if I fail, I want you guys to see my track record of what could be done. Because if I fail, whatever I failed in, maybe you won't do that when you trade your account. All right? So that sounds fair. I think that sounds pretty fair, don't it? I think so. So now let's go into this compound track that a good friend of mine is actually like the manager of my company, Solo Network. If you guys want, to get signals, click the link down below. If you want the course, click the link down below. Otherwise, he created this. This is wonderful. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be doing. All right, so here you guys go. This is basically called compounding risk management. This is like a in your face of what you can do if you compound your trading to the T. Now, currently this is what $600. I said if I wanted to risk just 20% per day, or let's say I'm looking to gain 20%, not risk 20% per day, but I'm looking to gain 20% per day. My basically my overall profit for that first day from the $600 account would be $120. Now, of course, I kind of surpassed this already, and now I'm at a different amount. So currently, I am actually at about 1,800 right now. But just for safe keeps, we're gonna do 2,000, and then we're gonna really start this challenge at 2,000. As far as the compounding side. So let's say that once my account gets to $2,000, all I'm gonna do is risk 20%, or gains is going to be 20%. Once I hit 20%, I am not trading anymore. I'm not doing anything. Now, if I was to lose maybe 2 trades in a row, I won't trade that day either. That's also my discipline when it comes to trading, somewhat. But other than that, guys, as you see right here, so let's say that once my account hits $2,000, I am looking to risk only 20% or gain 20%, and basically, let's say for day 1, that would be $400 in profit. Day 2 of trading day would be $480, and then day 3 would be $576. Day 4 would be $691, and then let's go. These are all profits, by the way. So let's go into where we would reach 10K. So let's just say all good, went great for us. Everything was good to go. When my account hits $2,000, hopefully I can get that by the end of today, by tomorrow. But once we get that will probably be in part 2, maybe part 1, depending on how fast we can get there. But as you guys see right now, if we can do 20% per day, now I know we are going to have some losing trades, but as long as our win ratio is still wonderful, 1 to 3, 1 to 2, and we're still up 20%, guys, within like 9 days, I should be at 10 bands, literally. From 10 bands to 100 bands is my next challenge that I'm looking to do. If I was to do that, that would be a different story. So my ultimate goal is to do 20% per day. If I get 20%, I am done. So once I hit 2K and I make $400, I'm done. Next day, once I do 480, I'm done. Because if I stick to this strategy, as far as compounding my account, this should be no breeze for me. And I need to do this because this is actually going to show you. I want to show you guys, like, if you stick to something, it can be done, literally. So this is pretty much going to be my discipline chart right here, besides all my other rules I have. Now let's go into my phone. I want to show you guys my active charts because obviously you guys see it here that this is what it is. Let me refresh it again because I know how you guys are. Refresh it again and nothing changed. It still say 4 hours ago. We're going to go on my phone and we're going to look at it on my phone, which is be a little bit better. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, so currently we're on my phone. As you guys see, the broker that I'm using is also showing you what broker I'm using here. Now, I actually use a different broker as well. That link is down below. But as you guys see, I'm currently in Bitcoin. I think that's all I'm going to be trading is Bitcoin. But if you guys look right now, I did say $2,000, and we pretty much at 2,000. We got 2,100 right now. My account is at 1827.79 cents. And let me just to prove to you that this is the same account, so y'all don't think I'm BSing. As you see, within a month ago, I mean, obviously I haven't traded this. Just to prove to you guys, I mean, I can go as far back as what I just did it. Y'all seen it. But as you guys see, right now I deposited $626, and now I am up. Equity wise, this is just unrealistic gains because this can be, honestly, this can be a different amount, you know. But right now at this very moment we're at $2,100, which is perfectly cool, fine, I love it. So now, as you guys see right now, this is what we have made for ultimately total, which is $1,227.53. Wonderful. Now I know a lot of you guys will probably be like, well, E, you should take money out now. I'll take money out now if I was you. Like what I said earlier, you know, $600, if I lose it, I lose it. I'm just doing this challenge to prove to you guys that if you stick to discipline and stick to your strategies, everything is perfectly fine. Now I have a very simple strategy, a phone strategy. So there's two strategies I will be using. I'm using a very simple phone strategy, and I will be using a strategy for crypto. So as you currently see, I love trading Bitcoin. Right now, it's literally like my favorite. I mean, all trades are like Bitcoin. Wow, actually, hold on. Yeah, like 90% of 85-90% of my trades are Bitcoin. I think I'm gonna become a crypto trader. By the way, I am also invested in Dogecoin and something else that I'm not gonna really talk about. And also, I will be investing in Ethereum once price drop a little bit more. But other than that, this is looking nice. I'm actually very surprised that I am actually trading Bitcoin a lot, and I have been noticing, like, I've been trading Bitcoin heavily. I do give out a lot of signals on other things, but when it comes to crypto, like, I feel like I got it now, you know, as far as right now, until somebody start realizing what I'm doing, and then they're gonna start doing the same strategy, and then everybody else is gonna start doing it, and then now the market is gonna change, manipulation is gonna happen, and everything else is gonna, then I gotta come up with a new strategy, and it's like, what the heck. But I'm just playing with y'all. It's not like that. It's not like that. Really, it's not like that. But literally, that's what it is, guys. So you guys see it. Now, the other thing I want to show you is my FX book, because I know how y'all are. So right now, we're logging into my FX book, and I just want to show you that it's the same exact thing. So as you guys see, it's not letting me. There we go. All right, as you guys see, it's the exact same stats. $600, 26 is the same exact numbers. I'm just proving that this is what it is, right? So that's what it is. One thing I didn't show you guys, I mean, we kind of seen it, but let's go ahead and look at it again. History. This is my history. Like what I said, I'm gonna have this up. If I can make this public, and I know I can, I will have the link down below so y'all can just, you know, follow up on it, save it on your desktop or whatever, you bookmark it, whatever you got to do. But I'm showing you guys what's up, man. So yeah, so this is what it is. Right now my win ratio is very horrible, and I'm going to definitely change that. My goal is to get it to literally 80%. I mean, that's usually what my win ratio is for my, like, when I give out signals. So I want to definitely try to get that same amount with this account. Like what I said, when I first started, I wasn't really thinking of doing it. Like, I was really over risking the mess out of this account, and that was just because I was literally just tripping. So right now, man, I don't want this video to be too long. Other than that, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you want more content like this. Also, if you want to sign up for the brokers I'm using, information down below. I will see you guys in the next challenge part 2. Otherwise, peace and love. Stay tuned for more.
I keep a dually on me, yeah, it's gon' be big. And I keep running on me, that bitch sing. Yeah, I keep it loaded, most certainly. Yeah, I keep it loaded.